Hi everyone, it's NICAinSRQ here, and today I just want to share with you a little bit about me. I am a proudly American citizen and I am originally from Nicaragua. And this channel is going to be about cooking, not just Nicaraguan food, a lot of different type of food, and I want you to share with me what you want me to try to make, and I'll try it. I'm not sure it's gonna work out, but I will try it, okay? Another thing you don't know about me is I'm a runner. I like running. I'm not as fast as I used to be, but I am still a runner and I love my running friends. And one thing that comes with it is that I get to experience the sunsets and sunrises of Sarasota, Florida, which is the place where I want to retire anyways, because it's just beautiful. If you come here, you will see in the images when I'm sharing them with you. Also, another thing is I love fruit. Fruit is like a boss to me. Now you run like in the middle of the night for a snack. Well, I have to have fruit, all kind of fruit. My favorite fruit, mango, so you know. Okay, so stay tuned for our next recipe.